Hello guys, Lockpick Mechanic here today with a garrison and an integrator. They both work. Let's get them both picked and we'll get the integrator because that's the more high security lock. So sunken 1, 2, fill 3. There we go, we've got into a fault set. 1, 2, 3. 4 is high, so I'm guessing that's a 5. Does that sometimes when my tension tries to thing it, but we can just overcome that. 5, 6, 7. Tension's doing it again. There we go, got it open. Let's do the integrator. Make sure my tension's on one side. Stop interfering with me. Okay. Okay. So fault set there. Okay, into a deeper fault set. Go. In the middle. There we go, got it open. So that's both of them picked. Let's get a gut wrench. Yeah, let's gut one of these. Go like that. Okay, that's the circlip off. Would be if it stopped getting stuck on there. Try and move this a little bit further forward so you can see that. Maybe making that noise so it can come out. I know what to do. Here we go, like that. Good. Pull that right out. Okay. So there are all the side pins that I was mentioning. 1. That looks like a 1 pin. That's your integrator. And your 6 there, that looks like a 6 because it's a torpedo. Another 6. And that might be a 1, yeah. Get those over that side. Like that. Right. I'm going to show you that I'm dumping all these because except from I know 1 will be a thing pin. So yeah, so I know where these will go. So that goes there because it's anti-drill. Spool. 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 There's a spool that's got to somewhere where it shouldn't have. And there's another one. Put these springs in place and we'll show you a nice view of this. I'll go through it with you as well. Oh, don't need that. That goes somewhere else. Right. Just like that. So I'll show you. You have a look. So here is a key pin that is called a torpedo, I think, and that's meant to catch up in the actual keyway itself. It's very much like a serration or like a weird spool. You got standard, dual resistance,